Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for the best drone on Amazon in 2026, you're in the right place. Whether you're interested in professional aerial photography, cinematic video, FPV flying, or simply a powerful drone for recreational use, there are some excellent options available this year. In today's video, we're checking out the top 5 best drones on Amazon 2026. We'll look at their key features, camera performance, flight capabilities, pros and cons, and which type of user each drone is best for. I've also included the product links in the description, so you can check the latest prices and availability. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Skyrover S1 Mini Drone. Starting our list at number 1 is the Skyrover S1 Mini Drone with camera. This compact drone is designed for users who want impressive camera capabilities in a smaller and more portable package. One of its biggest highlights is the camera system, which can record 4K video at up to 60 frames per second and capture photos at an impressive 48 MP resolution. That combination makes it a great option for capturing detailed aerial footage, travel videos, outdoor adventures, and social media content. The compact design also makes this drone easier to transport compared with larger professional drones. For beginners and experienced pilots who want something portable, the Skyrover S1 Mini offers an interesting balance between size and camera performance. Pros: compact and portable design, 4K video recording, up to 60 FPS video, 48 MP photo capability, great for travel and outdoor shooting, easier to carry than larger camera drones. If portability is important to you, but you still want high-quality aerial photos and video, the Skyrover S1 Mini is a strong choice to consider. Number 2. Antigravity A1 Infinity Bundle. At number 2, we have the Antigravity A1 Infinity Bundle, which takes a very different approach to drone flying. This is an 8K 360-degree drone designed for an immersive flying experience. The Infinity Bundle includes dual micro OLED goggles, giving pilots a more immersive view while flying. One of the standout features is its 39-minute battery flight time per battery, which gives you plenty of time in the air for capturing footage and exploring. The drone also features point-to-fly motion control, deep track, auto return, auto edit, Sky Genie, and a voice assistant. These features are designed to make flying and capturing content more intuitive. The 360-degree camera system also opens up creative possibilities because you can capture the environment around the drone and decide how to frame the footage later. Pros: 8K 360-degree camera, immersive micro OLED goggles, up to 39 minutes per battery, point-to-fly motion control, deep track, auto return, auto edit features, voice assistant. Excellent for creative aerial content. Cons: advanced system may have a learning curve, premium setup, more specialized than a conventional drone. If you want something different from a traditional camera drone and you're interested in immersive FPV-style flying and 360-degree content, the Antigravity A1 Infinity Bundle is one of the most exciting options on this list. Number 3. Autel Robotics EVO Pro V3. Coming in at number 3 is the Autel Robotics EVO Pro V3. This drone is designed for serious aerial photography and videography. Its biggest highlight is the 1-inch CMOS sensor, which is designed to capture detailed images and perform well in challenging lighting conditions. It can also record 6K HDR video, making it an excellent option for creators who want high-resolution footage with strong dynamic range. The larger sensor can be particularly useful for photographers and filmmakers who want more detail and greater flexibility when editing their footage. The EVO Pro V3 is therefore positioned as a serious alternative to the flagship camera drones from other major manufacturers. Pros: 1-inch CMOS camera sensor, 6K HDR video, high-quality aerial photography, strong low-light potential, designed for professional content creation. Excellent option for photographers and filmmakers. Cons: larger and less compact than mini drones. Premium price. More advanced features may be unnecessary for casual users. If camera quality is your main priority and you want a drone designed for serious content creation, the Autel EV2 Pro V3 is a powerful option. Number 4. DJI Mavic 4 Pro Fly More Combo with DJI RC2. At number 4 is the DJI Mavic 4 Pro Fly More Combo with DJI RC2. This is one of the most feature-packed drones on our list and is designed for users who want a flagship aerial photography system. The Mavic 4 Pro features a tri-camera system, giving you multiple perspectives and focal length options for capturing different types of footage. That makes it extremely versatile from everything from wide landscape shots to detailed subjects from farther away. The Fly More combo is also appealing for serious pilots because it provides additional accessories designed to make extended flying sessions more convenient. Combined with DJI's advanced flight and camera technology, the Mavic 4 Pro is aimed at users who want professional-level creative flexibility. Pros: flagship tri-camera system, excellent aerial photography capabilities, highly versatile shooting options, DJI RC2 controller included. Excellent choice for professional creators. Fly More combo provides a more complete setup. Cons: premium price, more equipment to carry compared with compact drones. Advanced features may be excessive for casual users. For creators who want maximum versatility from a consumer camera drone, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro is one of the strongest choices in this lineup. And finally, at number 5, we have the DJI Air 3S Fly More combo with RC2 screen remote controller. The Air 3S is designed to provide a strong balance between portability, camera performance, and advanced flight features. It's a great option for creators who want a capable drone without necessarily moving all the way up to a flagship Mavic series setup. The included RC2 screen remote controller is especially convenient because it provides an integrated display for controlling the drone and viewing your camera feed. The Fly More combo also makes the package more suitable for longer shooting sessions. For travel creators, photographers, vloggers, and drone enthusiasts, the Air 3S can be an excellent middle ground between compact drones and high-end professional models. Pros: excellent camera capabilities, compact compared to larger flagship drones, RC2 screen remote controller, Fly More combo, great for travel and content creation, good balance of performance and portability. Cons: more expensive than entry-level drones, larger than ultra-compact mini drones. Some professional users may prefer the flagship Mavic series. For creators who want maximum versatility from a consumer camera drone, the Air 3S is a very compelling choice. So, which drone should you choose? If you want compact size and high-resolution camera capabilities, the Skyrover S1 Mini is a great option. If you're looking for an immersive 360-degree flying experience, the Antigravity A1 Infinity Bundle stands out. For serious photography and 6K HDR video, the Autel EV2 Pro V3 is a powerful choice. If you want the ultimate flagship experience with a tri-camera system, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro is the standout option. And if you want a balanced combination of performance, portability, and features, the DJI Air 3S is an excellent choice. And that's our list of the top 5 best drones on Amazon 2026. Each drone has its own strengths, so the right choice depends on what matters most to you. Think about camera quality, portability, flight time, control features, and your overall budget before making your decision. Don't forget to check the links in the description for the latest prices and availability. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more product reviews and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.